Hello, 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 hello. Dr. Liz here. I am your wellness coach, your naturopathic wellness coach. And I am here today to give you actually a bonus. We are in the process of launching our Lose 40 After 40 with Herbs program. And so I just wanted to bring you a bonus today and let you get a peek inside of what you're going to get through our coaching program and how you're going to be very successful if your desire is to lose weight or if your desire is to reset your body and have your systems to run the way that it was created to run smoother, to run more efficient, to process your nutrients more efficient so your body get the maximum absorption. We are here to help you to achieve that goal. So the program is set to launch very soon. We'll give you more updates the closer we get to that launch date. You'll also see us on all of the socials. But as of right now, we want to give you a little bit of a bonus, give you a little bit of a taste of what you're going to get in the program. Okay. So the night before you start the cleanse, and the cleanse is a 5-day master cleanse. The night before, you're going to take Cascara Sagrada. You're going to take 2 Cascara Sagradas with 12 to 16 ounces of, I would say, room temperature steam distilled water. The reason you want it to be room temperature is because you don't want to task your body or give your body the task of warming up the water before it has to process it. We're talking about giving our bodies a helping hand. So the night before, you're going to take 2 Cascara Sagradas with 12 to 16 ounces of steam distilled water, which is the best water. Day 1, the morning of, you're going to wake up bright and early, ready to tackle the day. You're going to combine 32 ounces of, again, lukewarm steam distilled water with 2 teaspoons. Make sure you get your measurements correctly. Teaspoons of pink Himalayan sea salt. I prefer the fine salt because it's easier to dissolve. And to me, it's just a little bit less salty, if you will. But you're going to combine that, and within 15 minutes, you're going to drink that down. Don't gulp it, because if you gulp it down or just slam it down, it's going to come back up. So you want to sip it in for at least 15 minutes, no more than 15 minutes. I warn you, and most of us do not like to talk about bowel movements, but we're going to learn to embrace our bowel movements, because guess what? They are really our friend. We should be eliminating, and I do mean bowel movements, 3 to 5 times a day. Think about how many meals you consume every day. And if you don't eliminate it, it's sitting in your body. So it's either turning into mold, it's mildewing in your body, it's turning into toxins, and it's wreaking havoc instead of giving us the proper nourishment that it should. Our systems is built to run on about a 4-hour cycle. So we should be, and that's the only way your body can do that, is if you drink the proper amount of fluid. And I do mean water. Let's not say fluid, because a lot of fluid don't count as your water consumption to help you to hydrate your body and to help it flush. So we're going to take that down in 15 minutes. And again, like I said, I warn you, your bile is going to come out like urination. And it's okay. You really want it to, because we are flushing. Think about that. Get that in your head. We're flushing. The next step, you're going to make your lemonade drink. Now, your lemonade drink is a combination of 1 gallon of steam distilled water, 8 ounces of grade A or B dark color maple syrup. The maple syrup is what's going to give you your nourishment, okay? So your maple syrup, and again, you want the dark colored maple syrup. You do not want the amber maple syrup. And I always suggest that you get amber. I suggest that you get organic in everything. 8 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice, 1 tablespoon of cayenne pepper, again, organic. Now, if you have been diagnosed through your medical doctor or primary care physician, if you've been diagnosed with diabetes, we want you to substitute the maple syrup for blackstrap molasses instead, okay? And then you're going to drink that throughout the day. Now, actually, it's very flavorful. It's a great drink. The cayenne pepper is going to help with the circulation. The maple syrup or the blackstrap molasses is going to help you with their nourishment. It's going to give you nourishment. The lemons, I want to explain to you that the lemons, people think that they're acidic. It's only the peel that's acidic. The pulp inside of the lemon is alkaline. And so you want to create an alkaline environment in your stomach so that your body can run at the optimal pace or optimal speed and function properly, correct? So you're going to drink that throughout the day for the next 5 days. You're going to repeat step 1 through 1 and 2 for the next 5 days. And then on the 6th day, whew, you're going to feel great. You're going to feel lighter, probably have dropped a couple of pounds of toxins. You are going to, on the 6th day, your breakfast is 12 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. Again, we have to get used to, must get used to squeezing our own lemon, our own orange juice. But this is 12 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. You're going to love it. Your body is going to wake up, and you're going to be able to taste the flavors, because guess what? You've cleansed the palate of all the salts and organic substances and toxins. So you're going to really, really get a taste of that orange juice. I can taste it now. Your fresh fruit for lunch. You can have fresh fruit for lunch. And then for dinner, you're going to have a salad. No meat, no creamy dressings or anything like that. You want a vinaigrette or a light oil dressing. You are going to be amazed at how much your palate just says, oh my Lanta, I love this new way of doing things. Your body may fight you for a little bit to get adjusted. I'm telling you, you're going to love it. Throughout the day, you can drink your lemonade drink or you can drink the water. Also, on day number 7, we're going to talk to you about body management. And again, we're going to list the information down in the description box of where you can go as far as to our website and become a member. And also not only just become a member, but you can, any other supportive systems that you like, it's also listed on the website. For day 7, you are going to start on your alfalfa, your cascara sagrada. You can do that for up to 3 weeks at night. Remember, it's at night. Last thing you do before you go to sleep, you want your stomach to be done for the night, and you want to put that in there so that cascara sagrada can give you the peristaltic effect in your intestines to help you push all of that muck, all of that crud that's been building up, can push it all out. Your ACS, which is your all-cell salt, your beetroot. For men, we suggest bee pollen. For women, 3 Bs. You're going to gradually work yourself into a healthier eating habit and just healthier foods, and you're going to feel great. Day 8 through 15, as you become one of our members, we will talk to you more about how to work with other specific challenges that your body may have, and we can just help you to reset and help you to feel better by way of assistance from herbs and our support. Let's talk about the body management system a little bit more in detail. Body management system, it empowers you to manage your health. This is a program formulated for anyone desiring to improve, regain, and maintain good health. It is specifically designed to create an atmosphere in the body that will allow the body to utilize nutrients effectively and to obtain optimum absorption. And that's another issue. See, when we eat meat, our body starts to create mucus, and this mucosal lining grabs our intestines and it holds on. So when you put in proper nourishment or nutrients, it can't get to the proper cells, and it can't get into to properly give us the nourishment that we need. It can't absorb into our bodies. We want it to absorb and assimilate. We want it to give us the proper we want to get the proper nourishment out of our food. So I lost my place. Absorption. We're talking about maximum absorption. Just want to make sure that today I give you specifics on how to reset your body with the body management system, and also with the cleanse, how they work hand in hand. Okay. For the cascara sagrada, is a wonderful bowel cleanser, and is found in nature. Of course, all the herbs are found in nature. Gives the bowels the strength and energy to move. It allows users to obtain one easy and complete movement per meal as intended by nature. Bowel wastes that are not frequently eliminated are reabsorbed. So it's reabsorbed into the body system, and it tries to have an emergency exit out of the body through the skin, the lungs, the ear, the throat, or the sinuses. So when you see breakouts, or you see where you're doing a lot of coughing and you're coughing up and there's a lot of mucus going on, we got this in your body. The toxins are trying to find an exit out of the body, especially if you're not having bowel movements every day, or you're not having bowel movements 3 to 5 times a day. Alfalfa. I know this is not a sexy subject today, but it's a necessary subject so we can get our sexy on, right? Alfalfa acts as a detergent and a scrub brush for the intestines. It contains at least 6 active enzymes, which aids in digestion. That's why alfalfa is so important. That's one of my go-to herbs. It calls me, I tell you, it calls me. This is an organic plant which nourishes the bloodstream and promotes youthful, flexible joints and repairs the stomach. Alfalfa provides a balanced spectrum of vitamins and minerals. And the vitamin and minerals is calcium, potassium, magnesium, phosphorus, and sodium that our bodies desperately, desperately needs. It also acts as a deodorizer and prevents excess perspiration. It stops hemorrhaging, soaks up uric and lactic acid to prevent nerve irritation, lubricates joints, relieves pain, and it also relieves fluid retention. Awesome, amazing, amazing herb. You know, I often talk about my accident because I utilize myself as an example, and I crushed one of my legs in the accident, and I have fluid retention. But I take my alfalfa, and there's a couple other herbs that I utilize for specific conditions that are still, that I'm still working through in my body, but it helps me to be able to get up and function properly without the side effects of prescription medications. Okay. All cell salt, ACS, contains all the 13 organic tissue salts which are found in the body. Organic materials which replace inorganic material build up in the body. Hence why it's important for us to do that master cleanse 4 times a year, correct? The salts break up congestion in the cells and the fluid that surrounds them, cleansing the cells to replace worn out parts with new materials. The appetite may decrease. Hello, hello, ding, ding, ding. The appetite may decrease and weight loss may also occur during the cleansing process or the cleaning process. It's just important that we keep them toxins moving out of our body. Beetroot, another lover here. Another love of mine, I should say. Beetroot, a great liver cleanser and source of sulfur compound, potassium, magnesium, and trace element boron. It also provides folic acid for proper cell division of all body parts, including hair and nail growth. And proper cell division is so key and so important because any specific time, our cells are either duplicating, they're dividing, or they're dying off. And you want the cell division to divide into good, healthy cells versus making a blueprint of what is already there. So if you have conditions that are already there, or challenges that are already there, you want to put in the proper nourishment. So now your cells can divide, and it divides into a proper cell, into a better healthy cell versus the cell that has been challenged, if that makes sense. Then you want that old cell to die off. You want that cell to die off. See, and the reason why it's so key and important that we eliminate 3 to 5 times a day, because 50%, which is half of our stool, is dead cells and bacteria. So if it's dead cells and bacteria, you want that out of your system. Hence, we drink water. See, we've never really been taught this. And so when we are taught it, the light bulb comes on and you're like, well, I got some catching up to do. But let me tell you, as long as you can digest and eliminate, it's still hope. Okay? Talked about the beetroot, the all cell salt, 3Bs. I want to talk about 3Bs just a little bit. The best combination of 3B products. It contains bee pollen, which provides energy as well as high quality protein source. It's a high quality protein source. The first rate anti-stress adrenal nutrient. You want to nourish the adrenal glands. If you allow your adrenal glands to get shot, you lose energy, you become tired, you're stressed out. All of this works together to help you to feel and be your best you. So we need to feed those adrenal glands. B. propolis processes the antibiotic spark to raise the immune levels and to give the life systems movement again. Royal jelly is the elixir of life. Together they provide energy, and it's a powerful formula for the entire nervous system. Now, for men, we recommend bee pollen. Women, we need a little bit more, so we recommend 3Bs. And that is how the body management and the master cleanse work hand in hand. Now, I do want to let you know we do have a course coming up, which will begin April the 6th. It's an online course. It is 12 modules. We will put more information out on the channel, but we just want to let you know it's an amazing course that will help you to understand the proper usages of herbs, and it will also help to educate us on some of the challenges that we may have and how to reset our bodies. So we will put more information about the course and how you can become a part of our community. Actually, you can join our community through fortressconnect.com. That's also in the description. You can go over to our website at oasiswellnesscenters.com. We look forward to seeing you in the community, and we just look forward to continuing to bring you wellness information that's going to help you reset your body and overcome any challenge. So again, I am Dr. Liz, your wellness coach and your guide into resetting your body. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Invite others over. The word being share. Thank you very much for your time, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.